Ever wish you could be in charge of like a huge, important project? One that could really actually make a difference.
Right, like really high stakes.
Yeah, exactly. Well, today, get ready, because we're going to try on the hard hats. We're diving into the world of building, get this, a whole pharmaceutical facility.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, seriously, like from the ground up, this is where all those pills, the life-saving stuff, it all starts. And guess what? You're in charge.
Okay, I'm already a little stressed.
I know, right? But don't worry, that's what this deep dive is for. And to guide us, we've got role of a corporate client team in Pharma facility project.
Let's understand role of a client corporate team. Setting up a large-scale pharmaceutical facility campus is a complex, multi-stage process that requires meticulous planning and coordination. The corporate client team plays a pivotal role in managing the entire project lifecycle, from the initial concept through to final construction and operational readiness. Below is an overview of their key responsibilities. Leading overall project management, the corporate client team's overarching responsibility is to lead overall project management. This involves coordinating with multiple stakeholders, including design consultants, project management consultants, equipment suppliers, contractors, CQV consultants, the process design team, and the manufacturing production facility team. Their leadership ensures that all parts of the project work in harmony, avoiding bottlenecks, and keeping everything on track. Project report. The process begins with the development of a project report, which forms the blueprint for the entire facility. This report outlines the scope, objectives, timelines, capacity, and regulatory requirements for the campus. It includes a detailed feasibility study, site selection, architectural planning, and risk analysis. The corporate team ensures this report aligns with business goals and regulatory compliance, setting the foundation for the project. Bank loan. Once the project report is approved, the next step is securing financing. The corporate client team is responsible for negotiating and securing the necessary bank loans or alternative financing options. This requires close collaboration with financial institutions, ensuring that the loan structure supports the project's budget and timelines. CapEx and budget management. The team is responsible for developing a comprehensive capital expenditure (CapEx) plan. This plan includes cost estimates for land acquisition, construction, equipment procurement, and operational expenses. Throughout the project, the corporate team monitors the budget, ensuring costs are kept within the allocated limits, and addressing any financial risks or overruns. Purchase orders for equipment. Once the CapEx plan is finalized, the corporate client team handles purchase orders for equipment. They collaborate with technical teams to identify the right machinery, tools, and technology needed for the pharmaceutical facility. The team negotiates contracts with suppliers and ensures that equipment meets the facility's regulatory and operational requirements. Contract agreements with contractors. These are essential to ensure that the construction and installation of equipment meet project specifications. The corporate client team oversees the drafting, negotiation, and execution of contracts with various contractors responsible for construction, electrical systems, HVAC, and specialized installations. These agreements are key to maintaining project schedules and quality standards. Service agreements with consultants. To support the project, the corporate client team manages service agreements with multiple consultants, including design consultants, project management consultants, liaising consultants, and CQV, commissioning, qualification, and validation consultants. These service agreements ensure that expert guidance is available for design, project coordination, regulatory approvals, and validation of the facility. Bill audits. Throughout the project, the corporate client team conducts regular bill audits. This ensures that all invoiced amounts are consistent with the agreed contracts and reflect the actual work completed or materials supplied. Bill audits also help in maintaining transparency, avoiding discrepancies, and preventing financial delays. Payments. Following bill audits, the team is responsible for processing payments to contractors, suppliers, and consultants. Ensuring timely payments is critical to maintaining momentum and avoiding project delays, as it allows contractors to continue operations without interruptions. Before equipment is shipped to the site, the team oversees factory acceptance tests, ensuring that all machinery and systems function properly. Once verified, they manage the delivery of equipment to the site, coordinating logistics to prevent delays or damage to critical equipment during transport. Site store management. Upon delivery, the corporate client team ensures efficient site store management. This involves setting up protocols for receiving, storing, and tracking all equipment and materials. Proper inventory management prevents losses and ensures that everything is readily available when needed for installation. Site security management. This is another critical function. The team ensures that security protocols are in place to safeguard equipment, materials, and personnel during the construction phase. This includes setting up surveillance, access control systems, and engaging security personnel to protect the site. Construction monitoring. This is one of the most critical responsibilities. The corporate client team actively oversees the progress of construction to ensure that the work aligns with design plans, safety standards, and timelines. Regular site visits and progress reviews help maintain quality control and project integrity. Town passing a facility. Before the facility can begin operations, the corporate client team manages the town passing process. This involves securing all necessary permits and approvals from local authorities to ensure the facility complies with zoning, safety, and environmental regulations. Successful town passing is crucial for the legal operation of the facility. Regulatory compliance. Given the strict regulations in the pharmaceutical industry, the corporate client team must ensure that every phase of the project adheres to FDA, GMP, and other relevant regulatory bodies. Risk management. Identifying potential risks early and developing mitigation strategies is essential, especially in a highly regulated and capital-intensive project like a pharma facility. Sustainability. The team should also incorporate sustainability initiatives into the design and construction process, focusing on energy-efficient systems and waste management solutions. Pharma 4.0 integration. The team may need to ensure that the facility is future-proof by incorporating advanced technologies aligned with Pharma 4.0 principles, like automation, IoT, and digital twins.
Well, hey, we've covered a ton of ground in this deep dive. Everything from those initial blueprints to those nail-biting inspections. Any final words of wisdom for our listeners before we wrap things up?
Next time you pick up a prescription, just take a moment. Think about the journey that medication had to take to get there. It started long before it reached you, with a team of people pouring their expertise, their passion into every single step of that process.
That is a great point to end on. A huge thank you to all of you for joining us for this deep dive into, let's be honest, the fascinating world of pharmaceutical facility construction. Until next time, stay curious out there.